A step-by-step guide on how to make a parlay on Fanduel. So parlay on Fanduel involves combining multiple bets into one wager for a higher potential payout. All individual bets, which are called legs, within the parlay must win for the parlay to succeed. Okay, so here's a step-by-step guide. First, we'll need to log into our Fanduel account. Then we'll choose our sports or events. Navigate to the sport you want to bet on. Browse all available games and look for the types of bets you want to include in your parlay. Then we'll add bets to our bet slip. When you find a bet you like, you will click on it to add to your bet slip. Instead of placing the bet right away, keep adding more bets from different events or the same event to your bet slip. You can mix different types of bets such as point spread for one game and a money line for another. Then you will review the bet slip. Once you have selected multiple bets, go to your bet slip. It should be at the bottom of the screen. It is automatically going to combine all individual bets into a parlay option, and you will see total parlay odds. Then you will place your wager, enter the amount you want to wager in the parlay section of your bet slip. The potential payout will automatically update based on your wager and combined odds. If you're satisfied, you will click on place bet. And here are some examples of a parlay. Let's say you want to make a 3-leg parlay for an NFL Sunday. You bet on the Chiefs to win money line, minus 150. You take Packers to cover the spread, minus 3.5. And you select over 45.5 points for Cowboys versus the Giants game. All bets will be combined into one parlay. If they all win, you receive the payout based on the combined odds. If even one leg loses, the entire parlay loses. And here are some tips. Higher risk, higher reward. Adding more legs increases the risk, but also the potential payout. And same game parlays. Fanduel allows same game parlays where you can combine multiple bets from the same game, such as a player to score, the total points, and the spread. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.